So today I wanted to talk a little bit about some essential oils I use to reduce stress. So it's springtime here in Ohio. Finally, the weather is sunny out and it's pretty warm. So super excited, but the spring comes a lot of spring activities. There's just a lot going on in the spring. So that's why I wanted to talk today about some ways to reduce our stress using essential oils. So the first one I want to talk about is bergamot, and love this oil. It's a citrus oil, so really any oil like citrus oil like lime, lemon, those are going to be great oils to help kind of uplift the mood, reduce stress. So this one's kind of my go-to. It's also calming. So it kind of has a dual benefit, right? Because it's calming while uplifting at the same time, which is a winner in my book. Another one is grapefruit. So this is another citrus oil. It's also uplifting. I love to use it. You can use it in the diffuser, add it to your diffuser jewelry. Bergamot is one of my top choices when I put something on diffuser jewelry, just because I love the smell. But grapefruit is another great one that you can use it as well. You could also put a drop in your water to kind of help uplift as well. So another one that I love to use is Elevation. So this is the Joyful blend that doTERRA makes. And guys, it smells so good. I just love it. So this is another great one to use for diffuser jewelry, in your diffuser. You could actually make a roller ball with Elevation and kind of roll it on your wrists and on your pulse points, so your temples as well. But just make sure you dilute it with an organic carrier oil if you do that. So like a fractionated coconut oil, jojoba oil, any type of carrier oil. So I normally put for myself about 20 to 30 drops of essential oil, depending on the essential oil, in a 10 milliliter roller ball. So that is kind of the typical. If you are new to using essential oils, I always say start off with less. So start off with just 20 drops and see how your body does, because you can always add more later. And then the other one that you guys probably see me talk about all the time is my Happy Blend. So this is also a great blend to help reduce stress as well. And this one I kind of have with me at all times, so I like to use it. And then the last one is just, there's so many great ways to use this oil, but it's lavender. Lavender is a great essential oil to help reduce stress. And if you don't have a lot of oils, most likely in your starter kit or you have lavender. So lavender is a great choice as well. You can diffuse it, you can put it in a roller ball and roll it, whatever you need. But this is just a very calming oil, and it helps to really kind of help to reduce stress. So those are kind of my top choices when I'm looking to reduce my stress using essential oils. So I'll go ahead and make sure to link up this Happy Blend for you, so that way you can make it. And like I said, you can really make roller balls out of all of these, just using about 20 to 30 drops in a 10 milliliter roller ball. So I hope you are having a great day, and I will see you next time. I also wanted to mention that if you want more information on reducing stress using essential oils, I have a great course that's called 7 Steps to Reducing Stress Using Essential Oils. And in it, we dive deeper into the top 10 essential oils to reduce stress, how to use them. I have lots of tips, tricks, and some recipes in there for you guys, along with lots of bonuses. And then if you have your own essential oil business, I have a kind of bonus class sheet in there for you so that you can print it off and take it with you and do some classes on reducing stress for your own business. So there's some great things. Check it out. I'll leave a link below. But like I said, we go into a lot more detail as to how to use essential oils to reduce stress. So make sure you check it out. All right, well, I will see you next time.